What's up, guys? Masterpool here. Really hyped to be making this announcement that I'll be signing with Pro Circuit.
What we all knew for probably about a month now is that guy right there, Masterpool, as he said it himself, is signed with the Pro Circuit Kawasaki 250 team for the 2025 Super Motocross season. So you got Supercross, you got Motocross, and SMX, which is good news for him. It's not just a Supercross, and we'll see where you are, and then Motocross contract. Just in his fill-in ride this year, he got 5th in the standings with 2 moto wins and 1 overall. I have to find it again. And currently he's 11th in the 250 SMX standings with 2 rounds to go. For him, this is great. I mean, obviously his fill-in ride was incredible. He got the 300th win for Pro Circuit. You know, he'll always be in the record books for them for that. And for him to go from 450 privateer back down to 250 onto a factory team really showed that he does have speed, is competitive, can win. And it's just going to be the thing of how well does he do in Supercross, because that's always kind of been the lesser of the two disciplines for him. And I'm going to say this. I'm reading this from Verb, and I'm going to quote for quote. I'm going to quote this. It says, Kawasaki announced the deal is for 250 or for 2025 Super Motocross Championship. The Pro Circuit team has taken shape and is complete. I'm going to say that. It is complete. Masterpool will join his already signed teammates Cameron McAdoo and Seth Hammaker on the squad. Garrett Marchbanks has also been signed for the 2025 season as well. Levi Kitchen will round out the team on his second year of a 2-year deal. Anybody see a name on there or not on there that kind of sticks out? Something that becomes with Austin Faulkner? I mean, granted, they might not have just signed him yet or whatever, but obviously with the rumor that he's going to Triumph, this is, who knows? But I mean, that's a whole nother deal. But it's good for Masterpool to, I don't know, get something for this. You know, he showed really good speed this year. He put in the work for a fill-in ride to do as well as he did, like that quick, just right off the bat. This is well earned. You know, now he doesn't have to worry about what he's going to do next year, finding a program, all that kind of stuff. It's just going to be go in, factory squad, get ready for this in this off season, test, and prove that you can be a consistent guy, top 5 podiums, wins, and see where it goes from there. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Is this good news? Obviously, it's been around for a while. Are you excited for this? And what do you think about the Faulkner thing? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, and I will see you all later.
What's up, guys? Masterpool here. Really hyped to be making this announcement that I'll be signing with Pro Circuit. Unfortunately, we got like a minute or so to talk, but yeah, all the ups and downs it took to get here was crazy. All the adversity. Was never really on factory bikes as an amateur. Won about 7 Rail-In titles, and then won both of them on my 125 and went straight to pro. And got Rookie of the Year. And then second year, I broke my leg, and unfortunately, with only a couple days on the bike, I raced Redbud and almost won it. And then yeah, I went full privateer after that for 3 to 4 years, and yeah, all the tests they put me through and all that. But I just always believed in the team that I had around me and in God's timing, and hard work pays off. And yeah, all the stories we have through that. I mean, like almost getting a podium at Redbud with a full privateer bike, almost completely stock, no graphics on the bike. And after trying in the 250 class for a couple years, had to go to the 450 class because we couldn't afford the 250s. It was just too much money. And yeah, so went full privateer 450, and yeah, just persevered through all the adversity. I can go on and all that, but running out of time. And yeah, big scene, just very grateful. God is good, and really looking forward to these next couple years. And big thank you to Mitch and the whole Pro Circuit team. Grateful, and yeah, thank you guys.